scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this integral substitution look intimidating, but you can solve them in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. Watch this now. Start by setting u equal to the inner function 3x minus 2. Differentiating both sides shows that du equals 3dx, meaning dx is exactly 1/3 of du. Boom! Next, map the x limits to u limits. When x is 1, u is 1. When x is 2, u is 4. This matches the target integral bounds perfectly. You got this! Substitute these into the integral. We get 1/3 times the integral of f of u. Since this equals a, multiplying by 3 gives the final result of 3a. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't drop constants or flip limits. Always scale the dx factor and map all bounds.